Hello everyone. So I got a lot of requests in my LinkedIn profile after creating one computer vision project. The project is about real-time Sudoku solver. So after that, lot of people had lot of doubts like how to start with data science. A lot of people got interested and they asked like how to start with data science or how to start with computer vision from where to learn and all. So in this video, I'm going to share all of that, and I have created one roadmap for you so that you can have effective learning and you can get the best out of it. So before we start anything else, let's see why do we want to learn data science, or if you learn data science, what is the advantage you will get out of it. So first of all, you can take the data driven decision to solve any kind of problem. It can be a business problem, it can be your life problem, or anything. You can take a data driven decision. Also, you can have a lucrative career out of it because there is a lack of data literacy in the market. So still we need lot of data scientists. So I don't want to make you bored talking about all this theory and all. So let's jump to the roadmap directly. So I created this roadmap for data science. We can start with a programming language. So it can be Python, it can be R or a MATLAB or anything. So we can start with a programming language. I will teach Python in a separate video series, and that Python series is going to be specifically for data science. So I am talking specifically because Python is a very vast language and you can have different career in Python itself. Like you can become a data scientist, you can become an automation engineer, or you can even go for the web development path. But if you learn data science, that is going to be different from other paths. Even if you learn for automation, that is also going to be different from other paths as well. So we will talk about Python for data science only in that video series. After that, I'll share some statistics and maths videos. Then you can go for exploratory data analysis. So I will share different techniques how we can do exploratory data analysis, and this is actually very crucial part in the data science field. Also, we need to learn a lot of different data visualization techniques. So I will create separate series for that as well. After that, we'll learn a lot of machine learning algorithms such as logistic regression, linear regression, random forest, decision tree, XGBoost, SVM classifier. After that, we learn model deployment. The model deployment is another very crucial part of the data science roadmap, or a machine learning engineer, because if you create a model and if you don't deploy it, it stays in your local machine, then there is no point of creating that model. Simply it's a waste of time. So that model deployment is also very important part in the data science field. So you need to create a model. Also you need to know how the pipeline should be created so that you can deploy the model. So after that, we can learn deep learning techniques and computer vision. Also we will try to use some of the deep learning techniques to solve like some computer vision problems like object detection. So if we talk about the timeline, we can cover all these things within 6 to 8 months based on your learning speed. So let's say we can start with Python programming language. It should take hardly 1 month because we don't want to learn everything about Python. We want to learn only the Python related to data science. After that, we can spend 1 month on statistics and maths related to data science. Statistics like inferential statistics, hypothesis testing and all. After that, like 1 to 2 months for exploratory data analysis and data visualization techniques, and then we can spend 2 months on machine learning techniques and 1 month for model deployment. And after that, you can explore like deep learning, computer vision and all. So if you spend 6 to 8 months, honestly you should be able to deploy your first model in the production. So that is it for now. I don't want to make this lecture very boring, so I'll take a pause, and thanks for watching.